Morning guys, it's Saturday today and it is Barkspeed time. Run VT, Errol. Today I'm going to use my new tool, the Rivnut gun, and we're going to fasten the fixings onto the bonnet so that I can mount the bonnet on the car. Check this out. So this is a Rivnut. It's basically a small pot rivet, and what happens is as you squeeze it, the bottom half of this pulls down and goes between and sandwiches the piece of metal you've drilled the hole through. So you have to drill an exact hole, which is the one I had in the drill, and then it pulls it either side, and then there's a thread down the middle of it. So you can use a conventional bolt to fix them, which means that next time you want to come and remove them, you can take them off, put them back on again, take them off, put them back on again, and they're pretty good in this environment. So much better than trying to use a self-tapper, because obviously over time a self-tapper, the hole that you've drilled for the self-tapper wears out, and the little screws fall out. But there we go. Next, I am test fitting this rubber that I got off of eBay. It's like got a little metal bit in it, and then this goes round just to line this so that when we put the bonnet on, it doesn't scuff or scratch the paint on the front panel. Obviously the bonnet's not going to be coming on and off, on and off, on and off that much, I hope. But this protects the paint, and basically it's a push fit. It just goes on. You have to wiggle it a little bit when it goes past the double skin stuff. But yeah, you just fit it on like that and then do that all the way around. So, and then just cut it with a pair of cutters at the end. So I've already done this side and the other side, so I'm just getting it ready so that we can offer up these bolts, see if it fits, the bonnet fits on the car basically. Yeah, I kind of hope it will. It should do. It's a little bit tricky to get it round, but once you've got it on, it's alright. And then you just cut it, trim it to size with a pair of cutters, like that. Don't have to be exact. There we go. Got a little bit left over. Lovely job. The moment of truth. Test fit the bonnet. I think we might have to readdress this situation because these are not going in here. Oh dear. Back to the drawing board.
A few inches later.
As they say in TV land, that is it. It's on. Or it was a bit tight, so I had to take that rubber off either side. But what I might do is I might put the rubber back to here so that it protects this part of the bonnet. It's just very tight here. It's almost touching either side. But it's on. It moves a little bit, but not a lot. But I think that'll do. Right, only a short one today, but thanks for watching, and next time on Barkspeed, it is the doors. Ooh, catch you then. Bye.